Welcome to JRMSweeps. I'm installing a set of LED taillights on a 2015 Jeep Wrangler JK. Okay, to remove the taillight, all you have to do is remove these two guys right here, the two inner screws. Once you do that, taillight will come out. Disconnect the connector. These are the taillights that we're going to install here. They'll plug right into place. We're actually going to take this piece here, zip tie it to the factory connections. Okay, when you install the new lights, you need to look for these two little retaining pieces here. You want to slide those in to where they catch. Make sure that it's nice and snug. Install your old hardware. And you just want to repeat this process on the other side. Thanks for watching.